In this video, I'm going to teach you how to search Google Drive files on Google. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about what options you have to find public Google Drive directories and files. So of course, if you access drive.google.com, you will have the option to filter through all of your files or files that have been shared with you. If you just want to do a basic search, use this function here, or filter by type. For example, I want to see all of the PDF files that have been shared with me, and I can find it here. It is simple to do. Now, if you want to look for open, random, public Google Drive files, I recommend using this website, DEDigger. So we'll go to DEDigger.com, and when you arrive at this page, all that you have to do is look for whatever you wish to find. So for example, introduction. This will search through all public Google Drive directories that it can find, and it is going to present you various different random things. So for example, this file probably refers to a chemical engineering thermodynamics class. You can click open and see what is in here. So all that you have to do is visit this website and look through all of these files. You can find a lot of stuff, and as long as you include the keywords that you want to look for here, you will be able to browse through public files. Now, of course, you could potentially do the same thing with Google, but this website makes it easier. So you can use keywords at the top and you can find any random directory that you wish. If you only want to find files that you have accessed or that have been shared with you, then like I said before, the best course of action is just going to be to go to drive.google.com and in here filter through them. You can use the search function to look for a specific document name. So for example, this document here, 1234, I can find it listed under my drive, or I can filter it by people, by type, by the date in which it was modified, and plenty of other factors. You simply need to use these standard functions on the website. I hope I was able to help you on how to search Google Drive files on Google. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.